back to my channel and welcome back to my Saturday self-care session video. Hope you all are doing super duper fine. And it's Saturday, so it's a chillax time. So basically this video, it's gonna be really interesting because I'm going to chit chat with you guys. Just relax and take care of myself. Self-care is the base state of mind, as we all know, and it's just a pampering day. So Saturday and Sunday is usually we get holidays from all our busy work schedules. So guys, here comes my detox drink, and if you are wondering what this girl is just drinking, so this is absolutely a homemade recipe, homemade detox drink, and it contains the lemon zest, ginger and cinnamon, plus it also have green tea into it. So it absolutely makes my energy so high, boosts up my energy and makes me more calm, more focused and absolutely hydrated throughout the month. I'm definitely going to give my homemade detox drink recipe in the description box below. Do check it out guys. You can also make it easy for yourself and just enjoy. Drinking the detox drink and apply a face sheet mask just to take care of yourself is the best me time. So this sheet mask is from Garnier. It is a serum mask hydra bomb super hydrating replumping tissue mask. It contains pomegranate and hyaluronic acid, and we all know that hyaluronic acid is specially for hydration. It gives lot of hydration. Plus it is absolutely good for dehydrated skin. If you have a very dry and very damaged kind of skin, you can definitely try out this kind of sheet mask. You have to apply this sheet mask just for 15 to 20 minutes on your face so that all the good nutrients get into your skin properly and nicely. Plus it is dermatologically tested and suitable for sensitive skin. And here they have given four steps how to use this particular sheet mask. So as usual, they have mentioned lot of things at the back side of the packaging. They have mentioned their manufacturing date, the shelf life, and it contains 32 gram of product, and this sheet mask is priced at rupees only 99. So you can understand it is absolutely pocket friendly, affordable. And definitely Garnier is a big brand. They have lot of good products and lot of good skincare range. So those of you who don't know what is a sheet mask, well, let me tell you guys, sheet mask is a face shaped sheet which is fabricated, which is made out of fabric or transparent tissue, which is soaked into lot of good nutrients, a solution form in a form of serum, which is absolutely good for your skin. And you have to apply the sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes so that all the good nutrients gets into your skin properly and nicely, absorbs into your skin nicely and give you all the goodness to your skin. We also need to understand what is the correct way to use a sheet mask. So when you just get a sheet mask in your hand, don't immediately start open and apply it all over your face. First, what you need to do, first you need to massage this sheet mask well, and all the serum that is present inside the packet gets nicely absorbed and nicely spreaded into your sheet mask so that nothing is left behind. So now you can open your sheet mask. Usually they have a V-shaped impression here from where you can open the sheet mask packet. So here I've already opened it. It smells amazing, you guys. It smells just like fresh pomegranate and hyaluronic acid. I can feel the hydration like to the next level. So you can see guys, here are two kind of sheet. This is the actual sheet mask and this is the plastic covering. So you need to open this up. Do not throw it because it will be a waste then. Just keep it inside the same packet so that when you have that extra serum left, you can use it all over your neck, your hands, your feet. So spread the sheet mask nicely all over your face so that you don't miss out any area or any part of your face. I think it's a great relaxment guys. You know, after so much of work pressure and busy schedule, when you just start pampering yourself with a sheet mask, just feel that calmness on your skin. And some sheet mask you can see this kind of cutouts here. So what you can do is that you can just overlap both of them like this So if you overlap it, it's not going to fall off from your face, it's going to get fixed here. So now it's time to sit back and relax for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that all the good nutrients and the serum gets absorbed into my skin nicely. But guys, don't overdo it. Do not go to sleep wearing this sheet mask, because you don't need to wait till it dries, because if your sheet mask gets dried up on your face, that means it's also taking back your moisture from your skin. So guys, I have kept this sheet mask for 20 minutes on my face, and I think now it's time to remove this sheet mask. So after removing it, what you can do, you can slowly pat your face like this, so that extra serum that is almost present on your face, it gets inside. So that's it for today's Saturday self-care session video. Hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you really enjoyed, then please like, comment, share, because it means a lot to me. Those of you who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and turn the bell notification all, so that you get notified with all of my upcoming videos. And those of you who haven't yet followed my Instagram handle is somewhere here, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Do follow me there for some personal talk and some chit chat. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you. Take care. Have fun. And just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.